DOE nagkasana ng mga hakbang para maibsan ang epekto sa power rate ng serye ng oil price hike. Detalye ng balitang yan mula kay Rajuman Joyce Adra.
RMN Live Report!
May mga ikinakasanang hakba ang Department of Energy para maibsan ang epekto sa singil sa kuryente sa Abril ng serye na pagtaas sa presyo ng langis. Ayon kay Energy Secretary Sharon Garin, may mga alternatibo na silang tinitingnan na pagkukunan ng natural gas bukod sa Malampaya gas field. Muli namang nilinaw ni Garin na maliit lamang ang impact sa elektrisidad ng serye ng oil price hike.
If petroleum products increase, power will also increase. If petroleum products increase, power will also increase. Not by the same rate, probably, but it will increase. We have done our simulations also, and we're trying to work out na ba we can contain the increase or wag na siya magkan. Why is there a possible increase? Because coal only had a slight increase, but the transportation and insurance is more expensive now. Nat gas or LNG, the imported gas natin, comes from basically from Qatar, which has closed down. So we have to find other alternatives. And the price of liquefied natural gas is now triple, from 12 pesos to about more than 25 na. So it's more expensive, but we have Malampaya gas also. So there are solutions. That's why DOE has to be proactive in trying to contain the impact of this problem.
Samantala, inisa-isa naman ni Energy Undersecretary William Felix Pentebella ang mga sektor na maaari lamang na makabili ng galon-galon na langis. Kabilang dito ang fishing sector, si transport sector, mga ospital, local government units, agricultural sector, telecommunications company at iba pa.
Via drums or containers. Are these covered by the restriction on selling fuel in containers? Ang mga example ng mga customers na to are the following: fishing vessels and marine equipment, sea transport operations, generator sets of hospitals, telecoms, government offices, local government operation requirements, agricultural machinery and equipment, telecommunication towers and related facilities.
Samantala, makikipag-ugnayan naman ang Department of Energy sa mga lokal na pamahalaan para sa pagkansela sa business permit ng mga kumpanya ng langis na magsasamantala ngayong may krisis sa petrolyo. Kasama mo sa DCXL Manila, Rajuman Joyce Collantes Adra, Tatak RMN.